Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering on the Dell Chromebook and choosing your language and keyboard. This ensures correct input formatting. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Pick 5 GHz if available for speed, otherwise 4 GHz for range. Once connected, sign in with your Google account so settings and apps sync. If you don't have one, create it now to access the Play Store and Chrome sync. Make sure to accept basic permissions to continue the setup flow. Once signed in, update Chrome OS immediately. Updates fix hardware compatibility and security issues, so don't postpone them. Then enable Google Play services to install Android apps. Grant only required permissions when prompted, because overpermissioning risks privacy. Next, configure screen lock using a PIN or fingerprint if your model supports it. This protects local access and ties to your account for recovery. Finally, confirm time zone and enable automatic backups, so your settings and files stay consistent across. To finish, verify peripherals. Pair Bluetooth devices, test camera and mic with a video call, and play audio to confirm speakers. This prevents surprises during use. Then install core extensions and apps. Keep developer mode off unless you need advanced tweaks, because it disables some protections. If you encounter persistent boot failures or login loops, perform a recovery using a USB stick or a factory reset. This restores stock firmware and resolves most software faults, but back up data first to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.